Microsoft Project for the Web is a simplified, cloud-based project management tool that allows you to plan and manage projects collaboratively. Here's a guide on how to use it. Access Microsoft Project for the Web. Sign into Microsoft 365. Open your browser and sign into your Microsoft 365 account. From the app launcher, select Project. Create a new project. Click New Blank Project to start a new project or select a template. Add tasks. Enter tasks. Click plus Add task to create tasks. Enter a name for each task and set the duration in the adjacent column. Set start and end dates. You can also manually set start and end dates for tasks. Create task dependencies. Link tasks. To link tasks, drag the connector icon from one task to another or manually enter the task ID in the predecessor column. Assign resources. Add team members. Click on the task, then select Assign resources to allocate team members to specific tasks. This allows for collaborative task management. View and track progress. Switch views. Use different views such as grid, board, or timeline to track your project's progress visually. Track progress. Update task status as work progresses, and Project for the Web will update the overall timeline. Save and share. Collaborate. Share the project with team members for real-time collaboration.